Work experience is an essential part of your university experience. It is always viewed positively by employers and can help you decide your future career. Dip in and out of our online resource library for topics that are directly relevant to you. We have everything from support with helping you compete in the jobs market, guidance on sourcing experience, live insight and internships to apply for, all the way through to how you can make the most out of your experience. Look at the work experience steps to success pathway today. Start now, gain experience, be competitive.